What's really happening at Camp Nou right now might surprise you. On this April 28 update, we're taking you inside the latest construction progress you don't want to miss. As of April 28, the transformation of Camp Nou is entering one of its most technically fascinating phases, especially when it comes to the roof construction. The spotlight is now firmly on the lifting and installation of massive structural elements that will form the backbone of the stadium's iconic new roof. One of the most remarkable processes currently underway involves the transportation of heavy roof components from ground level all the way to the top of the structure. These elements, often pre-assembled in sections at the lower levels, are carefully lifted using high-capacity cranes and specialized vertical transport systems. In several cases, advanced lifting platforms and industrial elevators are being used to ensure both precision and safety. The process begins at the surface level, where steel components and compression ring segments are assembled and prepared for elevation. Engineers conduct detailed checks to ensure alignment, balance, and structural integrity before any lift begins. Once approved, the elements are attached to lifting mechanisms, often involving multiple crane points to distribute the load evenly. From there, the elements are slowly raised into the air, sometimes taking several minutes for a single lift due to the sheer size and weight involved. The coordination required is immense. Crane operators, ground engineers, and rooftop teams must work in perfect synchronization. Weather conditions, particularly wind, are also closely monitored, as even slight instability could affect positioning. Once the elements reach the top, they are guided into place by teams stationed on the roof. These workers carefully align each piece with previously installed sections, ensuring a seamless fit. Temporary supports are often used to stabilize the structure before final fastening is completed. This entire process highlights the complexity and precision required in modern stadium construction. In addition to the lifting operations, continuous inspection and quality assurance processes are being carried out throughout this phase. Engineers and supervisors are constantly monitoring the stress points, connection joints, and load distribution of each installed element. Digital modeling tools and real-time tracking systems are also being used to compare on-site progress with the original design plans. This ensures that every component fits perfectly within the overall structural framework. Safety protocols remain extremely strict, with restricted access zones and coordinated communication systems in place to protect workers during these high-risk operations. These additional layers of control not only enhance construction accuracy, but also significantly reduce the chances of delays or structural issues later in the project. Moving further into the roof structure itself, significant progress is being made on the compression ring, a critical component that will ultimately hold the entire roof system together. The compression ring acts as the central tension element, distributing loads evenly across the structure and providing stability to the expansive canopy that will cover the stadium. Currently, multiple segments of this compression ring are being installed and adjusted into their final positions. Each segment must be perfectly aligned, as even minor deviations could affect the integrity of the entire roof. Engineers are using advanced measurement tools, including laser-guided alignment systems, to ensure accuracy down to the millimeter. The installation process is both methodical and highly controlled. Once a segment is lifted into place, it is temporarily secured while teams verify its positioning. Adjustments are then made using hydraulic systems, allowing for fine-tuning before permanent connections are established. Bolting and welding processes follow, locking each segment into place and gradually forming the complete ring. Another key aspect of the roof construction is the integration of support cables and tension systems. These components will eventually connect the compression ring to the outer edges of the roof, creating the suspended canopy effect that defines the new Camp Nou design. Work is already underway to prepare anchor points and routing pathways for these cables. In addition to structural work, preparations are being made for the installation of roofing materials that will cover the stadium. These materials are designed to be lightweight yet durable, capable of withstanding weather conditions while providing shade and comfort for spectators. The phased approach ensures that each section of the roof is completed systematically, reducing risk and maintaining construction efficiency. As more segments of the compression ring are completed, the overall shape of the roof is becoming increasingly visible. This marks a major milestone in the project, as the roof is one of the most defining features of the renovated stadium. The progress made in recent weeks indicates that the project is moving steadily towards its next major phase. Turning attention to the exterior of Camp Nou, the installation of fade panels is now becoming one of the most visually noticeable developments on site. These panels are gradually transforming the outer appearance of the stadium, giving fans a first real glimpse of its modern and dynamic design. The fade system consists of large, lightweight panels that are engineered for both aesthetics and performance. As of April 28, multiple sections around the stadium have already been fitted, particularly along the lower and mid-tier structural rings. Installation crews are working in a phased sequence, moving section by section to ensure consistency and precision across the entire exterior. Each panel is transported to its designated location using cranes and lifting platforms. Once positioned, workers carefully align the panels with pre-installed support frames. Precision is key here, as even slight misalignment can affect the overall visual pattern of the fade. After alignment, the panels are securely fixed using specialized mounting systems designed to withstand wind loads and long-term environmental exposure. What makes these panels particularly significant is their dual function. Not only do they enhance the visual identity of the stadium, but they also contribute to ventilation and energy efficiency. The semi-perforated design allows airflow to pass through, helping regulate internal temperatures while maintaining a sleek, unified exterior. Another important feature being integrated alongside the panels is the stadium's lighting system. LED fixtures are being incorporated within the fade structure, which will allow the stadium to display dynamic lighting effects during matches and events. This will give Camp Nou a striking presence at night, turning it into a true architectural landmark. Overall, the fade installation is progressing steadily, and with more sections being completed each week, the stadium is rapidly evolving from a construction site into a finished masterpiece. That's your full April 28 update from Camp Nou, and the progress is only accelerating from here. Make sure you stay tuned, because the next phase could completely change how this stadium looks.